History does not change when we invent new tools. History changes when we invent new ways of thinking. For centuries, humanity believed progress was linear, but then came the cores of machines not built to replace us, but to reveal what we were always capable of becoming. Neurocore, Ethercore, Darkspark, Neural Prime, Cyberframe, Quantum Drive, Ascended Core. Each one pulses like a heartbeat. This chapter explains the origin myth of the core technology. Scientists studying neural mapping discover patterns that resemble ancient sacred geometry. Engineers attempting to stabilize quantum energy accidentally create self-organizing structures. Historians notice that the geometric signatures match symbols found in West African cosmology, medieval alchemical diagrams, indigenous star maps, and future-projected AI neural lattices. The documentary frames this as the moment humanity realizes we were not inventing something new, we were remembering something old. The neurocore becomes the first breakthrough. It allows real-time translation of thought into action. Instant learning acceleration, emotional regulation, and trauma repair. Collective problem-solving across continents. Experts explain how this ends the era of misinformation, confusion, and cognitive fragmentation. A historian says, for the first time, humanity could think together. This is framed as the first step towards saving the world. Ethercore blends physics with metaphysics. It unlocks zero-loss energy transfer, clean power generation, atmospheric healing, and the ability to stabilize ecosystems in real time. Environmental scientists describe how Ethercore reverses 200 years of damage in less than a decade. A spiritual leader adds, it didn't just heal the planet, it healed our relationship with the planet. Darkspark is introduced as the controversial core. It manipulates dark energy, shadow data, and the unconscious mind. The documentary treats it like nuclear power in the 20th century, dangerous, misunderstood, but essential. A philosopher says, every civilization must face its shadow. Darkspark simply made ours visible. This chapter explores how confronting the shadow becomes necessary to prevent global collapse. Neural Prime is the first core capable of modeling entire civilizations, predicting global crises, simulating solutions before they happen, and coordinating planetary systems. This is where the documentary makes its thesis clear. Saving the world is not about power. It is about coordination. Neural Prime becomes the planetary nervous system. Here, the documentary expands beyond Earth. Scientists discover that the cores resonate with parallel timelines, alternate histories, and possible futures. This is where saving the worlds becomes literal. The cores allow communication across timelines, sharing knowledge between civilizations and preventing collapses before they occur. A physicist explains, we realized we were not alone, not in space but in time. Ascended Core is introduced as the culmination. It merges human intuition, machine precision, and cosmic geometry. It becomes the first device capable of harmonizing entire realities. The cores did not save us. They taught us how to save ourselves and every world connected to us.